today I'm doing a 3-strand twist out, and this is my first time trying it out, so I'm learning as I'm teaching you guys. So what you want to first do is part the hair into 3 strands as if you're about to do a braid. Then using the outside piece, you're going to wrap it around to the other side and repeat the process. I'll slow it down soon so you guys can get the hang of it. So you just literally keep repeating that step, and once I got to the end of my hair, I rolled it using a perm rod. I didn't record that part because that can be an old separate video if you guys want it. And I'm sorry for the hair being in the way, I'm just realizing that. So the point of a 3-strand twist is to give you the twist effect, and it's also supposed to help elongate your hair. And what makes a 3-strand twist out better than a regular twist out is that it gives the hair a lot more definition. In this clip, there's nothing going on. I'm just showing how I part the front of my hair. That way I can achieve the bang effect. It is currently 11:50 p.m. So it took me a total of like 12, 11 hours to blow out and 3-strand twist this entire thing. And this is my first time using permod, so I'm getting a little used to it. So I'm gonna take this out and fix it up. But I'm gonna show you guys the takedown tomorrow. A pro tip that I always give and will continue to give is that whenever you are letting your hair down from any kind of style, always make sure that your fingers are oiled. And as y'all know, I usually go in with the tea tree oil. fluffing out my hair by going in with a pick in my roots. So I'm just realizing now when I'm looking over the footage that whenever I put my head down, it looks like I have a giant bald spot in the middle of my hair, but it's not a bald spot. It's actually because of the way I parted the hair. It was just off, so it just looked weird. I also go in with my fingers to separate some of the twists to make it look bigger. So this is the final product, and I really liked how it looked and how fluffy it looked. Just a little con, my ends kind of look weird because this was my first time using perma. But if you did make it to the end, you are here for the giveaway announcement. All rules to win this giveaway are in my description box. Good luck to everyone. Thank you.